The Posthuman Garden is based on the concept of basho, which can be understood as a field where everything, people, objects, and events, coexists and continuously shapes one another. So what you are seeing here is not just an installation, but a field of relations. In this space, identity is not something fixed or internal. It is something that emerges through relationships. And as we enter the post-human era, technology becomes part of this field. It begins to reshape how we perceive, act, and understand ourselves. So instead of asking what technology does for humans, this garden asks, how do we exist within a world where agency is shared? Within this space, the system unfolds through a sequence of interactions. It begins with the car, one of the independent agents in this space. As it moves through the environment, it observes, scans, and reacts to what is present. Its movement is not just navigation. It is a way of reading the space. In response, you are invited by the car to engage with the white modular blocks, the material conditions of the space. By picking them up and assembling them, you begin to reshape the structure of the environment. As the configuration changes, the space itself transforms. What you build is not just form. These changes ripple through the rest of the space. So at the same time, the robotic hand observes your gestures. It attempts to follow, to imitate, to learn from your movement. Your actions are translated into its behavior. And in this process, authorship becomes shared. All of these interactions are then captured by the headset.
The scene features a creative robotic setup with geometric shapes and a display, evoking a sense of innovation.
It does not simply
and
record
playful
what happens.
exploration in technology.
It interprets, analyzes, and responds with its own perspective. But this perspective is never complete. It is shaped by its own logic, limitations, and biases.
The image depicts a creative robotics setup with a track, featuring a small vehicle and striped elements, evoking a sense of innovation and playful experimentation.
So as you enter this space, your identity is already shifting. Through what you see, what you interact with, and what interacts back. Even if the change is subtle, this project eventually invites you to reflect. In a post-human world, what does it mean to be human?